Welcome to Tech Insights. Today we're going to show you the VSX Console from Havis and how quickly and easily it is to change from the storage compartment to the printer unit that will actually fit in the front of the console. So what you see right now is the storage compartment that has the spot for a license, a pen, a 12-volt outlet, and the two 12-volt switches. Well, we're going to change it out so that it can be used for a printer. So simply pop out the little storage bin, pop the whole unit itself out. Then we take the printer cover, fits right inside here. Two screws to hold it in. Put in the little clip for the latch. There you have it, ready to put a printer in. It also has the license display holder, and you put your printer right in here. Little bar for your paper to go onto, and you're ready to go. So that's it today for this insider look at the Havis VSX console.